Fro Fest is a liberating experience. It's where sisters and brothers of all ethnicities can come out, embrace each other, embrace our naturalness, not just the hair concept of it, but spirituality and health, nutrition, education. So it's an overall experience.
The panel was awesome. It was a real creative tension in there. We had guys who were kind of putting it out there for ladies, whether they wanted to hear it or not. And then I think the ladies had a lot to say to kind of educate men on their standpoint. So we need more forums, especially in the African American community, where we can have an exchange of ideas and where we stand, so we can bring us closer together and strengthen the black family and the black community.
Beyonce says pat your weave, but I say fluff your fro. What? I love these kinds of events because it's all about celebrating the beauty that we all have and looking at each other's hair and marveling at how marvelous it is. It's a Fro Fest. Fro Fest.